Elon Musk wants to go to Mars? He might not be able to leave. Here is the invisible wall we are building around Earth. Thousands of satellites, dead rockets, paint chips moving at bullet speeds. At 28,000 kilometers per hour, even a flake can shatter glass. Every year, more objects go up. Almost nothing comes down fast. When two objects hit, they fragment. Each shard becomes a new bullet. This is the Kessler Syndrome, a chain reaction of collisions. Debris spawns more debris until orbit becomes a minefield. Low Earth orbit could fill with millions of fragments. Too small to track, too fast to dodge. Launch windows shrink, risks soar. One bad day could change spaceflight for decades. All it takes is a single crash. One crash could trap humanity on Earth forever. The cloud grows, orbits close, doors to space slam shut. No satellites means no weather data, navigation, or global comms. We built the wall. We can choose to take it down.